Mutauriri wemutungamiri wenyika vaJohn Charamba vochiudzwa mashoko makunun'uno maudza mwoyo chaiwo ekunzi he must stop defending corruption, he must stop defending Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC. Inoda kuti ava kutora basa republicity achizviita zviri unprofessional. Sabina mashoko abuda sunigwa kwaitiwa mu the news hogs. Notibva subscribe like otina on the bell icon. Tichipinda unonyera vachiti Zimbabwean President Emerson Mnangagwa spokesman George Charamba at Donza Musoro 007 is defending the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC over its elections corruption scandal, tainting his own reputation and that of his boss in the process. In a bizarre yet also explainable conduct, given his own previous corruption and entanglements, Charamba has been abusing his position conducting his public administration duties as a civil servant and executive publicity unprofessionally and disgracefully. Some of his actions have led him to sink to the abyss of ignominious behavior or inability to defend the indefensible. Since the ZEC corruption scandal exploded, Charamba cowardly hiding behind the Twitter or X wars to snipe at his real perceive. Ndo mashoko atukona aiwa George Charamba achiachudza kunzi aiwa George Charamba he must stop defending corruption nemunyika yeZimbabwe. Vadafana ngostika kungopublicize mashoko ane chekuita nemutungamiri wenyika arege kudefenda not akupublicize zvinhu zviri unprofessional. Tudze mafundo enyu pene comment section medu, subscribe, kulike, chinotina on the bell icon.